Hello everyone, welcome back to our learning journey. Today, we're going to explore one of Indonesia's most valuable scientific and cultural heritage, the Sangiran Early Man Site. Sangiran is famously known as the home of Java Man. It is one of the rarest sites in the world for ancient human fossils, providing scientists with important clues about human evolution. In 1996, UNESCO officially declared Sangiran as a World Heritage Site, recognizing its extraordinary contribution to understanding human history. So today, as we walk through the fields and museum of Sangiran, we will not only see fossils, but will also uncover the story of humanity written in the earth. Now, before we begin, let's think. What do you think imagine when you hear the word of fossil? Is it just a old bones, or could it be a silent witness to our planet's transformation? Let's find out together. Kalibeng Formation. The Kalibeng Formation is the oldest geological layers in the Sangiran area. It consists mostly of deep marine sediments, meaning that millions of years ago, this region was still under the sea. The formation contains claystone and marl, marine microfossils, and remains of ancient ocean life. This tells scientists that Sangiran once had a deep, quiet marine environment, probably similar to a calm ocean floor. Over time, tectonic activity slowly lifts the region upwards. The Kalibeng Formation forms the foundation for all the younger layers above it. Putsangan Formation. The Putsangan Formation is the most iconic layer in Sangiran because it is where fossils of Homo erectus, the Java man, were first formed. This formation marks a period when the environment was changing from marine conditions to wetlands, river systems, and lowlands. Characteristics of this layer include dark clay, volcanic ash deposits, and freshwater sediment layers. In this information, scientists discovered Homo erectus skulls, stone tools, bones of early mammals. The Putsangan Formation is extremely important because it provides the earliest evidence of human presence in Sangiran, dating back more than 1.5 million years ago. Kabu Formation. Above the Putsangan layer lies the Kabu Formation, which formed when the environment became more open and dry, resembling grasslands or savannas. This change allowed the rise of large mammal, which explains why this formation is packed with stegodon fossils, ancient buffaloes, rhinos, and large deer species. The sediments here are sandy, gravel-rich, and signs of stronger water flow. These characteristics show that this area once had vast rivers, open plains, and a more dynamic landscape. The Kabu Formation is crucial because it helps research reconstruct how climate shift include the animals and humans living in this area. Notopuro Formation. The Notopuro Formation is the youngest layer in the Sangiran sequence. It was formed by volcanic activity including erupted ash, tuff deposits, and volcanic mud flows. These materials covered and preserved the older layer beneath, acting like a natural protective blanket. The Notopuro Formation shows that the region was once influenced heavily by volcanoes such as Mount Lawu and other ancient Javan volcanoes. Now, let's explore how physics helps us understand the fossils of Sangiran. Radioactivity and fossil dating. Scientists use radioactive decay methods such as carbon-14 and potassium-argon dating to determine fossil age. This relies on the half-life concept, how long it takes for half the radioactive atoms to decay. By measuring remaining isotopes, scientists can estimate that Homo erectus fossils in Sangiran are over 1 million years old. Waves and subsurface imaging. Modern researchers use seismic and ultrasonic waves to detect fossils underground without digging. This work using wave reflection and refraction principles, similar to how light or sound waves bounce and bend. Heat and thermal processes. Temperature change deep in the Earth influence fossilization. Concepts of heat transfer, conduction, convection, and radiation explain how minerals replace organic material over time, preserving fossil structures. Through the physics, we can see the unseen to understanding the invisible process that shaped life millions of years ago. Thank you for joining our journey today through the Sangiran Early Man Site, a place where history, culture, and science blend into one extraordinary timeline. We explore how human, animal, and plant fossils reveal the story of life on Earth, and we discover how physics helps scientists determine fossil age, understand fossil formation, and even locate fossil underground. I hope this video helps you see Sangiran not just a historical site, but as a natural laboratory that continues to teach us who we are and where we came from. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video and comment on which your part you found most interesting. Thank you for watching and see you in our next exploration of science. Stay curious, stay learning, and keep discovering.